Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket assembly. The ice bucket assembly is mounted inside the ice maker compartment in the left French door. It collects, crushes, and dispenses ice cubes on demand. If the ice bucket breaks and is not staying in place, or the crusher stops working, check the ice bin assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To get to the ice bucket, we need to open this ice compartment door. Simply pull on this handle and open the door. There it is. So lift it up and remove it. This is the old ice bucket assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you install it, make sure that those two wings on the hub are not interfering with this yoke here. So I'm going to turn the hub approximately 40 degrees, 50 degrees, so that would be vertical and the yoke is horizontal. And I'm going to install it. The top goes first, and then lift it up, place the bottom in, make sure it locks, and then we can just close that ice maker door. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.